Hello everybody and welcome in another video. In this video I will check what damage was done at the previous drift competition. So we will check what's the damage there, try to do a quick fix for it, because next week there is practice training, and I really hope to get the car ready, at least decently drivable for that. Now I have proper garage, proper workshop, I don't know how to say it. It's quite large, but yeah, I've made some changes to it. I'll give you a quick tour with it. Already did small celebration. This is one part of the shop. This will be just the storage area, like wheels, tires, tire mounting station. We'll need to bring that from home. Just cars that I don't want to keep outside will be staying in here. For now I also have the trailer in here, but probably we'll leave that outside later on. But the most important part is this, where I have lift. Yes, I finally have a car lift. So no longer will need to crawl under the car. If needed, I can drive in another car next to it and do some work there. This is still work in progress. I have a storage area. This will be for car parts. We'll have another shelf here. In theory, there is a paint booth, but I don't paint that much for now. It's just a place where I work on wood to make the shelves. We'll have some more shelves probably here. I'm in progress of making a bigger table here. We'll have some tool shelves here to work on the car. But yeah, now let's check out what's done to the car. Of course, the bumpers are broken and that kind of stuff, but that's all expected. What is a bigger issue is that the radiator is bent. Another big worry is the exhaust. The issue is here. It's bent quite badly. So that's definitely a big issue. What's happened here? It seems like this is all bent in. So in theory, I should be able to pull it out from like around this bar, somewhere around here. If I pull that out a little bit, that might do the trick. Okay, I'm thinking something like this. I have this quite large pillar that's definitely strong enough. I've tied rope around it, and we'll be trying to pull off from this rear bar and see if that pulls it out. Of course, I am doing this alone, so I cannot see if it works, so the camera will be my eyes. I got into the doing mood and forgot to film much, but I'll go check on the car. And the lid closed. Now it looks like this. At least it is on the same level, so that's nice. I did have an exhaust just laying around. It's from 3-liter petrol engine, just as mine. Yeah, you can quite clearly see where is the issue in the bent one. It's bent quite bad. I would love to delete those sections. I don't need them. I don't need them at all. But yeah, for now, I will probably try to put it on as is. Okay, Let's hear the magic. Okay, let's go check the radiator. Yep, that's definitely leaking. Oh, we'll need to change that. Let's do it. My radiator looks, it is bent and it has gotten a great hit. I think it's from the air conditioning unit. Not worth it risking it and it leaking on the track, so we'll change this. Okay, seems like I've lost some of the footage on changing parts on the car. So this video will probably be all over the place, but we have done some things. So the rear now looks semi-decent, at least it's on the same level. I use a little bit of filler, put on some just black paint. From distance it looks fine. Riveted this together so it doesn't flap around and doesn't have that big bump. Of course it still is not in the place, but it will be fine for practice. Change the radiator. Radiator is now new, of course, which you cannot see from here. Change the exhaust that you saw. What else? Also riveted together front bumper, use some zip ties somewhere so at least that is a little bit more sturdy now. So as mentioned, I lost some footage, so I don't have much for this video, but this weekend is practice anyways, so let's get the car loaded up and head for practice tomorrow on the track, see how the car sounds, how it handles, and if it's ready for competition in 2 weeks. Okay, we are finally back on track to test the car, see how it sounds, see how it does, just have some seat time and practice. So let's check out how it goes. Okay, the track today was amazing. The car felt perfect, just perfect. We have still, the pros are still going. The street class training is over. We have now officially fixed the car since last competition. Should be good to go. We have, I believe, 3 weeks or 2 weeks until next competition, which is also in a new track I haven't been before, so definitely will be fun. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.